my pleasure to update you on the status of our exciting C4 program, our four-place evolution in our corporate strategy for new aircraft. As hopefully some of you have had the opportunity to stop by the flight design display area, we not only have our exterior mock-up of the C4 on display out on the grounds, but inside the tent we have our C4 interior mock-up. Last year when we had the exterior mock-up, we heard from a lot of people that they'd really like to know what the inside is going to be like, what it feels like to sit in the left front seat, how much room there's going to be in the back. The C4 has been going along very nicely as one of our projects at Flight Design. We are currently looking at first flight of the proof of concept aircraft in early 2013. Early next year we should fly that airplane for the first time, and we would anticipate EASA certification approximately 12 months following that first flight. And then we'll be certifying with the FAA via the reciprocity process between EASA and the FAA. Once we get certification in place, we'll of course start deliveries, so we can be talking about deliveries to our customers in 2014. Currently we have approximately 70 what we call early bird orders for the C4. That's where a customer can sign up now with a deposit that gets them a position in the production schedule in exchange for a discount which is greater than their deposit. So it's a pretty nice deal, and we've had good response to that program. And I must say we've had exceptional response right through to the C4 program. As I think most of you are aware from our previous briefings, this airplane really is going to offer breakthrough performance, size, and at a price point that's really unheard of. It's more like, reflecting on my days with Cessna, more like 182 performance at less than a 172 price. So it offers exceptional value. We're real excited, and the market has shared that excitement with us, we're happy to say. One of the final decisions we've got on the C4 is the avionics. We've made the engine decision with Continental. We announced BRS last year, but the avionics is an important decision. Obviously, a lot of people buy airplanes today based on the avionics, and we're letting certain factors in the marketplace evolve. The technology in avionics is moving very quickly, as are the opportunities for certification, path forward on certification. And we've got some experts behind me here that will be able to talk a little bit more about the ideas that we're working very closely with the FAA and EASA on achieving a more economical and timely certification path, and the avionics enter right into that discussion. So those are ongoing with avionics. We hope to have a decision in the near future, but not today at Oshkosh.
Aero TV is brought to you by
Avidyne is the brand of choice for pilots who want innovative, easy-to-use avionics, and the new IFD 540 and 440 FMS GPS NavComs set a new standard for ease of use and simplicity. As plug-and-play replacements for legacy 530 and 430 series navigators, the Hybrid Touch user interface of the IFD 540 and IFD 440 makes it much easier to access the information you want while reducing head-down time, and making flying more enjoyable. Now you have a choice, and the choice is easy: Avidyne.